Talkative. Someone who talks a lot, often more than necessary. She is the most talkative in our group. You're talkative today. Did something good happen? Whole. Complete, entire, or full, not divided or broken into parts. I ate the whole pizza by myself. He read the whole book in one night. Stubborn. Refusing to change your mind or behavior, even when it's unreasonable. You're too stubborn to admit you're wrong. Stop being stubborn and eat your vegetables. Clumsy. Someone who often drops things, bumps into things, or moves in an awkward or careless way. I am so clumsy today. I just spilled my coffee again. He tripped over the rug. He's always so clumsy. Punctual. Arriving or doing something at the exact or expected time, without being late. He wasn't punctual, so the boss scolded him. Please be punctual or we will miss the train. Skinny. Very thin or having little fat on the body. Why are you so skinny? Don't you eat? I used to be skinny before going to the gym. Lonely. Feeling sad because you are alone or because you don't have friends. Even in a crowd, sometimes I feel lonely. He lives alone and feels very lonely sometimes. Depressed. Feeling very sad, low, or hopeless. He was depressed for weeks after the breakup. Sometimes, I feel depressed without any reason. Remote. Far away in distance or time. This village is in a remote area. My uncle lives in a remote part of the country. caring, kind, helpful, and showing concern for others. She is very caring towards her grandfather. He is caring and helpful to everyone.